currently here at Khadijas lunch place. Yep. So we're gonna make a video, and the view is spectacular. Just look at this. So cute indeed. So cute, so much. I just love it. Yeah. So we're just about getting set up. Our table here, and our little studio here. I'm waiting for her to prep so that we can get it started. Yeah. See ya. Hi YouTube family, how are you doing? And I have here my beautiful Haja Khadija.
Hello Khadija.
Hello.
I'm glad to be a part of this video. I'm excited actually. I've been waiting for it for like forever. She finally made it to me. She's a busy lady.
Work.
Yes.
So Khadija here, let me tell you just a little bit, and she can tell you a little bit more about herself. Now I just want her life.
Oh God.
She is a beautiful nurse, a senior nurse in that matter, and she has a beautiful family, and her baby Sumaya.
Yeah.
Mashallah, she's an angel.
And she looks like an angel. She's a wild.
I can imagine, but she's so adorable. Really, can't help it but just adore her at all. Absolutely. And she is a workout fanatic. Oh my God. And she is a super fashionable modest stylist. Oh my goodness. Like
she tried.
She's you're trying it. I'm not even trying. However, another thing I want from your life is your wardrobe. So
oh my God. Yeah, now we can work.
Okay, all right. Yeah. Her wardrobe is like amazing with all these collections. Like I'm like, I need to have all that in my life too. So, as you can guess from the title, my beautiful fashionista here, like myself, she is my mentor, by the way. Yay! And I'm the mentee.
Yeah, she's my boss.
Alright, that's awesome. So today I'm going to rock a beautiful turban style, more like an African head tie, because you know Africans right now, the head tie game is big all over the world, especially in the Western area. And in African too, here in Sierra Leone, I'm going to show you the most popular West African styles that's right now rocking, that's right now trending, I tell you. So without further ado, shall we?
Yeah, let's go ahead. So she already told you not all the fancy things she told you. I'm Khadija. I'm just excited to be a part of her YouTube channel. I want to be on YouTube. I've never gotten the chance, so she's giving me the opportunity to be on YouTube. So let's do this. I'm ready. I'm excited because she's a very wonderful hijab stylist, and I've always looked forward to her style. So me getting dolled up by her is pretty exciting. So let's do this. Let's go.
Let's get it on. Without further ado, let's go.
Yes.
So here we go. Pink style. So we're gonna tie this first.
Okay. Let me know how you want my hair.
Okay, I will.
And I'm just excited about all the pictures I'm gonna get out of this.
Oh yeah, myself too.
Alright, so she's just wrapping around.
Yeah, just tying it, trying to make a wider bun.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna use my safety pins, which you're gonna help me hold on to, please.
Sure. I love the color.
I know, it like pops. I don't know, it just pops in. I love pink.
Yeah.
Indeed a girly color.
Yes, it
Or
is.
should I say feminine color?
Either way.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, men rock pink now, but traditionally, you know, it's a girly girl. It's like one of those fun colors.
Yes, popping colors.
Yeah.
Attractive colors.
Yeah, and even if you like right now, I have black on, and you put that on, and it just pops everything.
It just goes well with black. I mean, I think black just goes well with all
obviously.
That is why I love black. I actually have issues with some family members of mine. They're like,
wear black, yeah.
I'm like, I don't know. I think it's the Saudi thing. I grew up in black, and I just love black.
Yeah.
I mean, obsessed with black. I can't help it, but just
I haven't done a lot of black since I came, because you know it's hot, and usually they say hot and black don't go together. But today I'm like head to toe black.
And you look amazing.
Until you came and you're putting some color in my life today. So.
Alright. So I'm just gonna wrap this up a little bit, okay? Just give it a few minutes. So I'm done wrapping it up. I just put it right around a bun and then pin them to stay in place because they need to stay in place. And I take this taupe kind of pinkish. I love it. I just love the color. And we're just gonna fold it. All right, thank you. Ooh, like I'm gonna bring it down a little bit on the side of her face and give it that bridal look, sort of like.
Wow, I'm probably gonna steal your hijab today. I'm like, don't take it off.
Don't worry, I'll make plenty of styles, okay? So I'm going to bring them right at the back and bring them right here in the front and give a little bit of a, you know.
Wow.
Param. I hope it's not tight. Am I blocking?
No,
okay.
Just this one. I don't know if you want it to show. Okay.
Okay, let me just bring it down a little bit. Okay. I'll pin that up a little bit later.
Okay.
It's like more like finishing.
Oh, I'm totally gonna steal the style.
Oh my goodness.
Totally.
Okay. So it's like basically I'm gonna make a little bow and then just fancy it around. It's one of the popular styles right now. A lot of brides and a lot of like, you know, special the people wear it, yeah, for special occasions and all. So it's very, very simple. I literally wrap this around in like minutes. Yeah.
Well, you're gonna be seeing these in my picture.
Okay.
I guarantee you. You know, I love these things.
Okay.
Like usually when I'll put a hat and I'll get like, what is this net
effect? It gives it that extra glam look.
Yeah, and right now it's looking like a hat already.
Oh yes.
I would have never
thought it was somebody.
Oh, sorry, I put my finger there.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh wow.
It's okay. I'm just in love
If I
with the
knew
color.
this is how my hijab on Sunday, this is how it would have
Oh,
looked like.
the fancy day.
Yeah.
Everybody's still talking about it.
I know, it was fun. It was amazing.
So let me just bring it down a little bit because we don't want it to go high.
Yeah. Oh my God, this is nice.
Okay. Let me know if I poke you. Good job.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Even if you do, no pain, okay?
So that is it. Voila.
Put it up a little bit.
Okay.
Guys, look at this. Look at that.
If
Look
it's too
at the
much in your
details.
eyes.
No, I like it.
Okay.
I like it actually falling down like that.
Okay, just go on the side so they can see. Okay.
Look at this.
So glammy.
Look at this.
I swear this is my cheat look. Like if I'm really out of time and I just wanted immediate glam, I go for this instantly. And you know what? If you have like a brooch or like a little nice jewelry, you can just pin it right here in the middle. Yeah, and it looks so glam up. So this is style 1. Stay tuned for style 2. We're back again, style 2. Okay, so this time around we're gonna use this beautiful raw silk yellow, and it goes perfect with our skin.
This is like my favorite color now. It has been for the last year.
Wow.
So I don't know where we're heading, but I love it.
And autumn is here, so
Yeah.
summer's around the corner, so this is it indeed. So basically it's a square scarf, and we're gonna like fold it into triangle.
So this is it. We're doing a triangle. Yeah, I got it.
And so I'm gonna place this one here.
Let me give you a 2D. So it's same triangle, so instead you put the folded side on the back, okay? And yeah, you're gonna cover up your face a little bit. So you're gonna cover, and you're gonna bring the 2 sides. Sorry you can't see the video. I'll watch the video later. And then you tie, okay? And then one side in front. Okay, let's hold it down. And you know what, we can even display a little bit of the yellow under the black. Okay. Normally I like to do that. That's okay. To my, yeah. Okay, I think I lost the other hold. There's one piece there. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And we just make another knot, 1 knot or 2 knots, and this is the 3rd knot. I'll make a 4th knot, right? And now we make the knot. The one remaining, we bring it up. Oh, the big reveal. And this is why I was in like Taj Mahal. And I needed to go African. I'm like, I should go big or African. And this, go big or go home. Yeah. Okay, totally. I hope I don't ruin it trying to put this bunny on, okay? It goes well, you know, you can just raise it up and voila! Let's get the look higher. Fabulous.
So another one is the Zainab Bukhari style, or Zara. Her name is Zara actually.
Oh, okay.
The Nigerian president's daughter, she rocked this style and is now in trend. It's an old style actually, but it's come back into fashion and everybody's rocking it. I love it as well, and you sure will love. And it's amazing, you have to have a turban underneath, okay? And this one will go in well. So basically it's a rectangular, long, fold it again to make it thin rectangular, okay? Then you put the center right here. You have to fold it so that it gives us kind of like a, you know, stronger, how do I put it? Okay. And you wrap it in the back, okay? Then you bring one side forward like this, okay, a little bit higher. Okay, so basically this is too high, so we gotta like bring it in, just, you know, fold it inwards to bring it down just a little bit, just so it doesn't stick out high. Then fold this one like this, and you bring it right at the back and you tuck it, and voila. What do you think?
I love it.
I really love it. It's
Yeah,
more
I
like
think it's very
sophisticated.
simple.
Yeah, and stylish. You can go around, or you know, you can leave it like this, or you can give it a plate look. Yeah, plated look like. This plate look now, okay? See how this I can get a plate look. You know. I mean, not much of a plate look, but yeah, this much I can do. Okay. Okay. So, you know, see
Look at all
this
those
flame?
ridges.
Yeah, I just love it. It gives that extra bump. And to even take it further, this is style 3B. You can twist it.
Oh.
Yeah. Twist it up. And let's do this. Twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, and tuck it. And voila! You have another style. You can adjust it however way you want it, but this is just too cute. I just love it.
Look at that.
It's so simple, and she's rocking it and it looks so perfect. It goes with every face shapes. It goes with hijabis. It goes with everybody. So even your mother-in-law.
Yeah,
or
this is very
godmother.
versatile. Young,
Yes.
old, medium. I think it's great. I love it. Look at that.
I seriously love it too. And the turban, it just goes so perfect with the black, guys.
This
Go
with
black.
your Ankara.
Yeah.
A nice turtleneck.
And the beautiful neck, earrings.
Earrings, right?
And the fly makeup.
I did.
So, ladies and gentlemen, YouTube fam, thank you very much for tuning in. So, this is her, Haja Khadija Jallo, my favorite mentee. But too bad she believed me.
But it's been an honor to be here, and thank you guys for following. So go ahead and subscribe below, right?
Yes,
Above,
below. The red button. And like, please, so that YouTube knows that you like these things, and I'll give you more of it.
And share. She's amazing. She does a good job.
Sharing
it
is
as much
caring.
as you can.
Yeah, share it. Thank you so much, so much. Mwah. I really gonna miss you already. We just met, and I'm leaving.
I know. I'll be back soon, inshallah.
So I'm waiting for your photos so that when you rock the styles. And anyone who's rocked the style, please tag me.
Yes.
Or, you know, share with me on other social media handles.
Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, everywhere.
All Kiki Khan and Khadija Khan.
Yeah.
So,
I sure will tag you once I get my picture.
yes, you will.
Look at that. I love this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is
All
that-
right. It ended.
Bye.